Hello everyone, it's Ginger here, and this is not a pastel video. So I just wanted to tell you a bit more about my sketchbook zines. So as you know, I do a lot of sketches in my various sketchbooks, and recently I've been doing loads of sketches out on the coast. I thought it'd be really good to be able to share with you guys an insight into kind of my techniques, my tools, my thoughts, my compositions, and kind of why I do what I do when I'm out sketching. So I've created sketchbook zines. These are small downloadable PDF magazines that you can download for free from my website. Each one of these are anywhere between 10 and 20 pages, and they just give you snapshots of what goes on in my sketchbooks. These can be anything from small sketches, details, and just colour palettes, as well as some of my thoughts that go into it, why I like certain compositions, what attracts my eye, and what colours I prefer. So you can find all of these easily accessible via the link in the description below. As I said, they are free of charge, and I love putting these together because they are a great reminder of what goes on in my head and into my sketches before I'm able to do my main paintings. Hopefully you guys will love these as much as I've done. Ta-ta for now.